Hi, good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for, let me close this out. Thank you so much for your support and thank you for your concern. Thank you so much for your comments. I appreciate you. Um, so yeah, I am feeling better. Thank the Lord. Learning to put it out in his hands and let him handle it, okay? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Sometimes, like we are, sometimes, but we are human and we do feel the issues that when people say things, when people accuse us, when people say bad things about us, and we're like, make you question your own self and wonder if you are in the faith. So I thank you so much again for that. All right. So all right, let's get back to this job thing. Okay, let me know in the comments, guys. Working from home, are you having any or have you had any issues with your W-2s, your W-4s? Because being here on this job, um, and going on like a year, I mean, it's over a year and a half, so we're in between that year and a half and 2 year mark. And so when we were in training, we were getting our checks, and our checks was like the federal withholding was zero, no matter what you file. If you file zero exemptions, if you file 10 with exemptions, 5 with exemptions, we were all in training and we were discussing how that's not right. And it was like, well, you need to talk to HR. So we had one person in our team that would talk to HR. Guess what? Still down the line, nothing. And let me tell you, I got my check for the first year. The first year I worked 6 months, I believe. 6 months. 5 or 6 months. And they took out $100 for 6 months on my W-2. Federal withholding going zero, exemptions over $100. I just looked at my W-2 for this year. I worked 9 months because remember I was out for leave of absence for 3 months. So 9 months of working full time. And I know the beginning of January, I worked overtime, okay? A little bit over $300, okay? Something is not right with this company. Something is not right with the taxes. So during my break, I called HR. And I talked to someone who is, and I'm not racist, and I'm not prejudiced or of anything, but if you don't understand U.S. principles, if you don't understand the IRS way of doing things, why would America, American companies put in foreigners that do not know anything about taxes? You have to file these taxes and you have to submit this to our IRS every year. So what are you doing? What are you not doing? You don't know. He could not give me an answer as to why my taxes are not up there. Why is my taxes are not coming out like in the thousands? Because why not? Making us have to pay. So if you guys know anything about what's going on, can you put it in the comments below? Let me know. I mean, I know I already looked up some stuff and I'm going to make some calls on my lunch break because this is not right. This is year 2 and taxes are still not right. And I'm not the only one. Actually, the person who brought it up this morning when my computer wasn't working right, when I could get into my systems, that's how it came up. And then that's, yeah. So I said, you know what? I'm going to reach out to them. I'm going to talk to HR. But talking to HR is like talking to the wall. You're not getting a response. You're not getting the answer. You're not getting what you need. You're not getting anything. It's like Boom, you just keep hitting your head up against the wall, and you're wondering why you can't get through because you're hitting your head up against the wall. And that's what it is when we're trying to contact these people and get a result and get answers. They were like, well, whatever you put on your W-2 is what we respond. No, that's not right. You're not telling me that if I file 0 exemptions that you're putting that in there and submitting that to IRS. No, 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 no. So, guys, if y'all have any answers, if y'all can help me out, lead me to another department. I got 2 numbers that I'm gonna reach out to on my lunch break. Hopefully, I can get at least one call in during my lunch break. And this is a time I may not even eat lunch because I want to get this squared away. This company is going to have to get their act together. Are they going to get reported? They are getting reported. And I hope they're listening to me through their sound, through their system. I want them to know that I'm going to report them because hundreds and thousands of employers are complaining about the same thing. Okay, so I had a call, so I had to take this call. Take the call, of course. But yeah, we need to figure out what's going on. And like I stated before, I'm going to, Lord say the same, I will be calling them on my break. The both numbers, if not, one number at least, if not both, to find out what can be done as an investigation against this company for not taking out the employers, the employees' proper federal withholding tax. Why are they limiting the least? And then on top of that, I don't know if I told you guys that I requested additional monies to be taken out. So if I had requested additional money, then it should have been went up further. So just imagine it, if I wouldn't have asked the additional to be taken out, that it would not. It would be less than that. So if you have any suggestions or comments, please put them down below because I'm needing some help. And I know we got some accountants out here, some CPAs out here, and some people who probably work for the IRS. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So anybody that knows about this, they may have worked in HR, may have been a generalist or something of that sort, please comment below. Let me know down and below what suggestions you would suggest, and I would certainly appreciate it. If you've encountered this before, how did you rectify it? If it was at all rectified, if it was handled a certain way, let me know that as well. So I am feeling better today. The joy of the Lord is my strength. He was my strength the other day, but I just felt, and you know what? Even on the day afterwards, I cried. It was just a cry within me. At work, I was crying. I would listen to the word. In the morning, I was crying. I would listen to the word. So whatever God is doing, He's doing something awesome. And it's not all sad tears. It's tears of joy and tears of a new experience that I'm being challenged to do. Okay, so y'all continue to keep them prayers going up in the name of Jesus, because He's doing something great, and I thank you so much, and I love you. I love you, love you, love you, love you. So thank you so much. Thank you for all who commented, supported, everything, subscribe, everything. I appreciate, pray, everything. I love you. God bless.